As the TET, that is Teachers Eligibility Test, investigation is progressing. More and more shocking revelations are being made. To talk on this topic with us, we have the Commissioner of Police, Pune City, Amitabh sir. Sir, two more arrests. What would you say? Who are these people and what is their role in this TET fraud?
Uh, while investigation the 2019-20 TET examination scandal, we came across certain evidences and certain paper and certain document. Based on that, we have registered a fresh offence that 2018 August TET was also manipulated. The result which was declared in 10th month, and the then controller of the examiner, Mr. Sukhdev Dhere, and the company which was managing the examination, GS Software, the then Maharashtra chief of that company has been arrested. There are a lot of common accused also. They will be arrested in due course.
What is the role of Mr. Dhere, and information we are getting that he was suspended in 2016-17?
I don't know about that suspension, but Mr. Dhere and this Ashwin, they manipulated the OMR sheet, they manipulated the final result, they passed the people who had failed, they issued a wrong certificate or fake certificate. That was the role of the whole team.
That's what I wanted to ask, like who conducts this TET exam?
This is the part of the question has to be replied by the education department, but they have a examination board, and Dhere was in charge of that examination board that time.
Any information that this GS Software was blacklisted and Mr. Supe, who was arrested earlier, reinstated the same company?
We have information, but it will be better for education department to comment on that. That is their internal affair.
Could you throw some light about this GA Software company, which all examination did they conduct?
That company, which is Bangalore based, we have found accused in 3 of our cases, 2 TAT and 1 this MADA examination. The present Maharashtra in charge is also under arrest, and then Maharashtra in charge Ashwin has been arrested.
So what is the magnitude of this whole scam?
In this 18 examination, approximately 500 or more people were helped out. We hope to get to the bottom of the truth.
And isn't it shocking that the way students had come forward and they had, in a way, unofficially discussed that these are the people and this is the modus operandi?
The most of the leads were provided by the student who was studying here, and they had the best of the data and best of the information, so they helped us a lot. Thank you.
Isn't it shocking that the GA Software company is the common company, software company that has conducted all of the 3 examinations, MADA, the medical, as well as this TNT?
No, medical was a different company, but MADA and TT, these were the 2 companies.
So this is Amitabh Gupta sir, the Commissioner of Police of Pune City, giving us information about the way investigation is progressing and more arrests are being made. Some more arrests might be there in coming few days. With cameraman Gopal Harne, this is Pankaj Khilkar in Pune for India Today.